Morning, Cadet Boss Carino here, coming to you with the low-angle rope rescue operations. Today we're going to be showing you how to rig for raise, or taking a lowering system into a raising system. On our right we have a lowering system in progress.
Down, down. Down, down.
In this process, we're using the rescuer to get down to the
5
patient.
feet. Down, down. 3 feet. Down, down. Stop!
Now that the rescuer is in line with the victim,
Raise!
we're going to rig for raise, or change into a raising system. The first thing that we do here is break the brake bar. This brake bar has five bars. It's a friction device that we use. The way he breaks it is he pulls the rope in the opposite direction of the main line. The next thing he's going to do is tie off the brake bar. He's going to do that by wrapping once, twice, and then a safety knot around the entire brake bar itself. Once the brake bar is tied off, then we're ready to use our Mariners, our load releasing hitch. This device is used so that we can transfer a load, or take from one brake device into a load releasing hitch itself. The next thing he does is tie the pressing knot by wrapping once, twice, 3 times, and cinching it tight. This is going to act as a brake for our Mariners knot. It's important to know that our pressing knots are dressed properly. Once the pressing knot's tied tight, we attach it to our Mariner's knot via carabiner. Now that the pressing's tied tight and attached to our Mariner's hitch, we can now transfer load.
Transfer load! Transfer load.
As you can see here, he's untying his safety knot. Going to untie the 2 loops that he has tied. And that's going to allow all the tension from the brake bar onto this Mariner's. You'll gradually see the pressing knot become tighter. The next step, once the Mariners is holding all the tension, is to remove the brake bar itself. The brake bar will no longer be needed for this operation. The next step to our raising system will be to put in place our mechanical advantage. By doing this, we will use a system of pulleys and pressing knots. The first step is take our pressing minding pulley. We will attach this to the main line itself along with the pressing. A pressing minding pulley is a pulley that is designed so that we can use a pressing with it, and the pressing will not be sucked in or caught in the pulley. Same knot, pressing knot, once, twice, 3 times, pull the barrel of the knot to the side, and cinch down the rope. Again, dressing these knots to make sure they look proper and they look neat makes the knot itself stronger. He will now attach the pressing on first, and then the pulley. This will serve as our change of direction pulley, or a moving pulley. There are two different types of pulleys, a moving pulley and a traveling pulley. The mechanical advantage that we will be using today is a 3-to-1 process. The next step is applying our traveling pulley. The traveling pulley does not have to be a press-igniting pulley. However, if materials are handy, it can help. Now this pulley is attached directly to the main line that the rescuer is on. Dress up those knots, Battalion 40. Don't forget. Okay, now that we have our traveling pulley set and in place, we're going to set up, this is going to set up our 3-to-1 rigging system.
Edge got it.
Edge got it. All right, now I'm going to describe to you the 3-to-1 rigging system. Here, as you can see, we have a 1 rope coming down to our pulley. We're going to think of this in terms of 1s and 2s. So this rope is a 1. Equal force, that means this one must be a 1. These 2 ropes are going to equal a 2 to this pulley. This pulley's a 2. It's going to make this pressing knot a 2. We're going to come back down. We see this rope coming down this way. It's attached to this pulley. This, because this rope is a 1, this rope will in turn be a 1. Follow this back up. And this rope, combined with this pulley now, becomes a 3. This is how we're going to describe a 3-to-1 raising system.
Main ready. Rescue ready. Rescue ready. Main ready. Main ready. Belay ready. Belay ready. All. Set.
Set. In this system, we're going to be setting it as it acting our brake, releasing our mariners, and untying the pressure. Reset.
Set. All.
And the rescuer is up safe.